The Festival du Film du Monde World Film Festival celebrates now its 39th edition. It occupies a unique place in the history of cinema for Canada because it is one of, if not the oldest film festival. And now, as it looks towards the 40th anniversary, it has the unique opportunity to redefine itself. And that is the challenge that this film festival faces. It's made a mark for itself by bringing filmmakers from the four corners of the globe and bringing young, emerging filmmakers who we would not otherwise see unless we participate in the Festival du Film du Monde World Film Festival. This challenge then is within what I call the culturescape of Montreal. How does the Festival du Film du Monde shore up, rebrand itself so that it looks forward to its 40th anniversary? I believe part of the key of this is looking to the possibility that it could be the premier film festival in Canada that offers young, emerging, first filmmakers from countries around the world. That's a niche that none of the festivals occupies at this time. And when you look at the slot that the Festival du Film du Monde occupies, Montreal has many, many festivals, particularly during the summer, and yet the World Film Festival occupies a space that with no other challengers. So let's make the most of the 40th anniversary of the Festival du Film du Monde to re-identify itself, to give itself new blood, a new mandate, an understanding of what the future holds for the Festival du Film du Monde.